G'day legends, today we're doing another 12 volt installation on Brando's new Troopy. So Brando, do you want to run us through on what you've done to it so far, what your plans are?
Yeah mate, yeah. So far, I've pretty much chucked some wheels on it. I've done the -50 steelies to correct the wheel track. Done the front runner roof rack, 3/4, I think. Yeah, 3/4 slimline. Yeah, there's not much really else. I've got the ladder on the back.
So what are we doing today then, 12 volt wise? What's the plan?
So we're trying to link these two batteries up.
Yep.
Just to lessen the load of all the other accessories that we're putting on.
Rightio, so pretty much the plan of attack is we've gotten this from PDP Performance, so it's Perth Diesel Performance over there. And sort of basically it's a battery linking system. So it helps reduce the crank amperage of the first one and you can split it over 2 batteries. So
and it looks like it comes with everything, the BC to DC, the bracket for the front of the Troopy, the battery holder. We'll have to move the injectors across, but it's a pretty comprehensive kit. Looking forward to how this all goes together. So what are we tackling first, Ando? Gonna get the second battery in. So you have to move the injectors too. Oh, not the injectors, the what do you call them over there?
what do we call them again? These things?
The injector drivers.
Injector drivers.
That's the one. The drivers. The injectors aren't there. But
No, we do know what we're doing.
But the people,
Alright, so we've just taken the brackets off the injector drivers. And now I think the next step is to do that wire for the linked switch, which we're taking through this grommet.
Through the firewall.
Down here through the firewall.
Yep.
Yeah. And then yeah, we'll see how we go.
and put the tray in.
Yeah.
Right, so we're up to putting the solenoid on the side of the battery tray. So pretty much we're just figuring out where each cable goes. This is just a little earth wire that needs to be connected and it will just wrap around like that, so you end up earthing this chassis frame. So we're just in the midst of doing that. Is it too long?
I think it's too long.
I don't think we have another extension.
Surely you have something small.
It's never too long.
Do we hole it first? I'm scared. What do you reckon?
Yeah, probably.
I'd pilot hold it.
Yeah.
I reckon sit back and trench spot. Is this an 8?
Yeah, you want to
Drill.
Is this the first time you've drilled into the new car?
Yep.
Woo!
Do we check underneath? Nah, go for it.
Yeah, maybe have a check.
Yep. I don't think there's anything underneath there.
just do wheel arch. Just
Yeah,
don't
just
pop
do
the
wheel
tyre.
It's here. It's up in there.
Yeah, nah, surely not.
There's been nothing there.
Should
But
be anything.
now you're happy.
Put a wire in underneath it.
Right, let's just get this nice and...
I wouldn't go there.
Are you sure?
Don't get Trent out of it.
Yeah,
That is actually terrible.
How'd you go, alright?
I think so.
Yeah, nice.
Maybe a little bit off, but yeah, right.
Should be good. Should be right. I think.
Right, so while the boys are trying to finally put the last of the battery tray bolts in and hook up the injector drivers, Ando's going to start running the cables from the, what's it called, the battery link. So what this will do is when
you want to change over from just your cranking battery, you can press a button and this will join both the batteries in parallel and give you equal draw over both of them pretty much.
So like a jump start too if you need it.
Yep.
Yeah, sweet.
Or when you're doing like a big winch, you can press this button and they'll kick this battery in the gear to try and, you know, if you got a lot of bloody...
Oh, well, I didn't know that. That's a good idea.
You know what I mean? Words aren't looking
So we're going to put the switch in here. Comes factory Toyota switch with it, so we'll get stuck into that. Boom, done. All right, so what do we need to do? Just put it all back together now, and that's it, done.
And that should be in the inside done.
Sweet. While these muppets out here are still putting their 8 bolts in.
Yeah, one bloody bolt in.
Right, so everything else is in. We've got the BC to DC in. We've got the battery tray finally in. So now it's time to try and get the battery finally in.
Positive to the...
Positive to the back.
The red one.
Yep. This is scary.
Put the core on, bro. Good thing Trent didn't do it.
Whoa!
We're on.
Well, that's the result.
Glad we put that masking tape on.
I got
Get in and start it.
Please.
This is nerve-wracking.
Yeah, but no one can see it.
If it doesn't start, you off the carton.
Yeah. Oh, looking good.
Hey?
Nothing.
What? Bullshit. You're putting on the accessories.
Why would that be?
Well, it must be because you haven't connected the battery up yet. What's going on,
So that is a wrap for the big Troopy. Brando and Andy and Trent have done most of the work today. They had to call in the big guns. Yeah. Trent did all of 8 screws, which took him 3 hours.
That was the hardest screw to be honest.
So it's a 25 amp BC to DC to run the second auxiliary battery in the front, which will help Brando jumpstart his vehicle if he ever runs out of his main cranking battery, but he can run a winch longer now, more power. Just going to be a lot of redundancy. Absolute weapon of a car. Mate, have fun.
Cheers.
Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.